Hello guys, today I have got the Samsung Galaxy A37 and I'm going to show you how to fix the camera freezing and black screen. So at first what you need to do is to detect the symptoms. If the camera app opens and you see black screen, this is one of the symptoms. Of course I don't here have the black screen. I have normal screen. If your app freezes or crashes or can't switch between the front and back camera, can work in some apps but not others. This is the most common one, but we'll try to cover everyone. At first you need to start by restarting your phone. So hold the power and volume down, hit here restart and restart. It fixes temperature just instantly, which is the very common cause. Now we need to just wait a moment. So now we have our phone restarted. Let me turn this on. And what to do now if you have done this and you still feel no difference at all. And you see this no difference, actually, not feel. What to do? At first you need to open the hold your finger on the camera. Here tap this info icon. Now it will direct you to this camera application and the app info. So what to do now? Scroll down, and as you can see here, we've got the storage. Tap it. Clear cache. And this is one of the most effective fixes because it removes corrupted temporary files. You can optionally tap clear data and delete. Now you can try. Apart from that, if you still see this, again, go here, again, info icon, and now again in app info, tap first, stop, OK. Then just restart, then just open your application back again, and as you can see here, they have to turtle back again, but it works. So, apart from that, try to update your software. Open the settings right here, and here scroll down to the software update. Here check for updates. If you have any software updates, it can fix bugs causing crashes, and because these fixes are often included in these updates. Apart from that, check other applications using the camera. Applications like Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp can log the camera. So as for the fix, you can just open the menu and here click close all applications. Apart from that, you can test the camera hardware by opening the application called Samsung Members, which is a application. You can install this application by yourself from the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. And when you have this, go to support, tap over here, tap get started, go back, stop Diagnostics, and here find the camera. We're using the app. First, test the rear camera. Tap the button to take picture. A picture was taken by the rear camera. Is the picture quality good? You can tap yes or no. Here, as you can see, we have the front camera. This is my hand, by the way. Hello. Is the picture good quality? Yes. And now camera normal. If you hit no, it will be normal, and you need to contact device support. It helps you know if it's a software issue or hardware issue. Apart from that, you can free up the storage space because low storage equals camera issues. You need to delete all videos and large files. So open the settings, here scroll down to the device care, storage, 67% used on games actually mostly, but more. As you can see here, we can see here is used, and for example here I've got 67 gigabytes on applications, and just delete either all videos or large files or applications because camera needs space to process the photos. Apart from that, check for overheating. If phone is hot, camera may freeze or disable temporarily. Let it cool down before using again. And again, I can tell you in the previous video about charging, I told you that there was some problem with my charging port. Again, I can refer to my iPhone. When I was in some car meeting, when I took 1,000 pictures, I think, or even more, and it took me whole day and was recording in 4K 120 FPS, and my phone just started lagging. The battery dropped to zero in, I think, 10 minutes. It was horrible, and it's mostly overheating. So it's cool. And then, yes, again. And that should be all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing and leave a like and subscribe. And remember, if you see that it's hardware or if you still that it's not working, you need to prepare the proof of purchase and contact the device support to have it fixed. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.